Welcome back. I am N.S. Lavanya, Assistant Professor, Department of English, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, let's look at how to improve your reading skills. Look at the picture. When you read, you have to get meaning of words in context. Try to get the key facts. See the sequence of events. Summarize. Inference from the text. Predict. How content is related. Author's word choice. Make comparisons. Reading skills or abilities that pertain to a person's capacity to read, comprehend, interpret, and decode written language and text. Exceptional reading skills can be highly beneficial to assimilating and responding to written communications like emails, messages, letters, and other written messages. Using reading skills in the workplace can also be important for ensuring effective written communication, which can result in less miscommunication or misunderstanding of expectations. How to improve your reading skills? Set aside time to read each day. Set reading goals. Preview the text you read. Determine the purpose. Apply key reading strategies. Take notes while you read. Apply what you read by summarizing. Set aside time to read each day. One of the most effective ways to build your skills is to practice. Developing your reading skills will ultimately take practice, and you can set aside 10 to 15 minutes each day to read. You can read news articles, fiction, magazine, issues, or any kind of text as long as you are taking the time to practice your reading skills. Set reading goals. You can set reading goals for yourself to help you develop a wider vocabulary, gain a deeper understanding of different texts, and improve your ability to make connections between things you read and your own perspectives and ideas. Preview the text you read. Previewing and scanning over text can be another step toward improving your reading skills. You can apply this strategy by previewing titles, captions, headlines, and other text features to get an idea of what you are reading about. This can help you form central ideas about the text before you begin reading it. Determine the purpose. As you read through different texts, practice determining the purpose. Think about why various texts were written and what meanings or themes can be understood from a text. Knowing your purpose for reading a text can help you look for key ideas and details that support your purpose. Apply key reading strategies. As you read different texts, you can apply several key strategies to help you increase your comprehension. For instance, when previewing a text, you might identify the text structure as informational, persuasive, or instructional. Take notes while you read. Another highly effective method for improving your reading skills is to take notes while you read. For instance, you might take notes while reading a fiction novel to gain a deeper understanding of the author's choice of language, or you might write down new vocabulary while reading a science journal. Effective note taking can prompt you to ask questions about and make connections to what you read. Apply what you read by summarizing. Summarizing what you read can also improve your reading skills. Summarizing forces you to remember specific details and central topics about what you read in your own words and through your own unique perspective. You might try verbally summarizing what you read by sharing information with a friend or write a short summary to help you retain and comprehend what you read. I hope you understood. Please do practice reading and improve your reading skills. Thanks for watching this video.